Ladies, let's get one thing straight. Men aren't spilling their deepest playbook. Not because we're sneaky, but because we barely know it ourselves until you crack the code. I've been around the block, seen the good, the bad, and the what the hell was that in love. And today, I'm handing you the keys to the kingdom. 7 secrets we men won't admit that could save your love life from crashing and burning. This isn't some watered-down podcast spiel or tired dating app cliches. This is the unvarnished truth that'll keep you glued to every word. Want him hooked, not hiding? Want a love that's wild, not weak? Then lean in. This is about to get loud. Number 1. We don't want your whole history. Just the headline. Picture this. You're on a killer third date, wine's flowing, he's laughing at your terrible puns, and then he drops it. So, what's your deal with exes? Your brain goes full Netflix. Should you queue up the drama series of every breakup, every he said, she said, every tear-stained night? Slam the brakes, sister. Here's the first secret we won't admit. We don't want the whole damn movie of your past. Give us the trailer and call it a day. Why? Because our heads work differently. You're thinking, I'll share, he'll connect. We're thinking, is this dude still in her head? Am I the rebound guy? It's not that we're fragile snowflakes, it's that we're wired to size up threats, even imaginary ones. Tell us your ex took you to Paris or broke your heart over tacos, and suddenly we're picturing this jerk in a beret, wondering if we measure up. It's a buzzkill we don't need. Here's the fix. Keep it tight and tease it out. He asks, say, oh, I've had my share of chaos, learned what I don't want, and now I'm here. You? Then, flip it, let him spill. You're not hiding, you're hypnotizing. You're the woman who's moved on, not the one stuck in a rerun. And real talk? Some guys dig for dirt to see if you're still bleeding. Don't give them the knife. Next time he asks, smirk and say, history's a headline, not a novel. Your move. He'll be toast. Keep it light, keep it you, and watch him chase the mystery. 2. We crave your calm, but hate being babied. Set the stage. We stumble home. Day's been a meat grinder, work's a mess, the car's leaking something, our buddy's blowing up our phone about nothing. You're there, and it's like the clouds part. You don't nag, don't pounce, just toss us a hey, you good? And let us breathe. That's the secret we won't cop to. We crave your calm like oxygen. But here's the catch. We hate feeling like you're our mom. Too many women think calm means tiptoeing around us, cooing like we're toddlers, or letting us sulk forever. That's not it. We want a woman who's a steady hand, not a babysitter. Be the one who says, rough one, take 5, I've got dinner. But if we're growling at you because the world's on fire, don't coddle. Hit us with, I'm your calm, not your chew toy. Chill it. No screeching, just steel. We'll blink, mutter, yeah, you're right, and snap out of it. Why is this a game changer? Because we're suckers for a woman who can anchor us without breaking. My pal Tony used to come home snarling. His girl would just stare, say, I'm not the enemy, dude, and walk off. He'd stew, then grovel. Now he worships her. Be our haven, not our handler, and we'll crawl back every time. 3. We love your shine, but let us discover it. You're a force. You've got a job that kills it, a side gig that slays. Maybe you can salsa dance circles around us. That's hot. But secret number 3 we won't admit. We don't want it dumped in our lap like a resume on a first date. We love your shine, but we want to stumble into it, not get blinded by the spotlight. Think about it. You roll in, rattling off your stats. I just got promoted. I speak 3 languages. I bake bread from scratch. And it's like handing us the prize before we've laced up our shoes. We're hunters, ladies. We live for the thrill of peeling back the layers. Drop it slow instead. He's moaning about his dead phone battery. Pull out a charger, plug it in, and go. I carry spares, comes in handy. He's wide-eyed, you're smirking, hooked. Or you're at a bar, and some loudmouth's yelling. You shut him down with a one-liner so sharp he slinks off. We're like, who is this woman? And we're in. Here's the test. If he bristles when you glow, like my cousin's ex who pouted when she aced trivia night, he's not it. The right guy grins, says, you're a ninja, and ups his game. Let us uncover your fire, and we'll burn for you forever. Number 4, we're scared of your dreams until you prove they're real. You've got big, wild dreams, starting a podcast, flipping houses, trekking the Appalachian Trail. That's your heartbeat, your magic. But secret 4 we won't fess up to? We're terrified of your dreams, not because we don't believe in you, but because we're not sure we can keep up. So don't just blab them to any guy with a pulse. Protect them like gold. I've seen it flop hard. My friend Lisa told this dude she wanted to open a gym. He laughed, said that's cute. Stick to yoga. She shrank, shelved the idea, and he still left. That's the risk. Some guys see your ambition and feel small, so they poke holes to feel big. Others just nod and hope it fizzles. Don't let them in too fast. Tease it out. I'm messing with a little plan. Nothing set yet. He bites, asks, what's the deal? Green light. He smirks. Good luck with that. Bye, Felicia. The right man doesn't flinch. He fuels you. My buddy's girl dreamed of a food blog. He didn't get it, but he bought her a camera, taste tested every dish. Now she's got 50K followers and he's her hype man. Share your dreams with the one who's ready to ride shotgun, not some schmuck who'll yank the wheel. 5. We don't want to be your everything. We want to join your party. Biggest secret we'll never say out loud. We don't want to be your whole damn world. Sounds nuts, right? But if you're ditching your crew, skipping your spin class, or mothballing your dreams to cling to us, we don't feel flattered. We feel trapped. We're not here to fill an empty life. We want to crash a party that's already popping. Build your scene like it's the hottest ticket in town. Keep your wine nights with the girls, your pottery wheel spinning, your 5K training on lock. When we roll up, we're stepping into a vibe that's alive, not a ghost town waiting for us to plug in the lights. Say, hey, I'm grabbing tacos with my squad, wanna roll? We're not your lifeline, we're your wingman. That's the spark that keeps us buzzing. Real deal. My neighbor Kim used to ditch her painting gigs for this guy. Sat home, waited for his texts. He got bored, bounced. Next dude? She said, I'm at an art fair Saturday, meet me if you're free. He showed, saw her sell 3 canvases, and now he's framing her stuff. Weak guys want you small. Real ones join the bash and bring the beer. Live loud and we'll fight to get in. Number 6, we're secretly testing your backbone, and we hope you pass. Here's a secret so raw neither of us see it coming. We test you. Not on purpose, but we do. We push, we prod, we act like jackasses sometimes, and deep down we're praying you don't fold. We might flake on plans, snap over nothing, or toss out a dumb comment like, you're overreacting. It's not always conscious, but it's real. We're seeing if you've got a spine, because we can't stand a woman who crumbles. Why? Because we're terrified of carrying someone who can't stand up. We don't want a shadow who nods at everything. We want a partner who'll push back. Flake on you? Don't whine. Say, that's twice now. I don't chase flakes. Sharp no tears. We'll feel it in our gut, mutter an apology, and rethink our game. My buddy Dave once ditched his girl last minute for beers with the boys. She texted, enjoy. I'm out with my crew next time. He panicked, showed up at her door with coffee the next day. Now he's locked in. We won't admit it, but when you pass, we're relieved and obsessed. Show us you're unbreakable, and we'll bend over backwards to keep you. 7. We're more insecure than you think, and we need you to call it out. Last bombshell, and it's a doozy. We're insecure as hell, way more than you'd guess, and we won't cop to it, ever. That bravado? That I don't care swagger? Half the time, it's a mask. We're scared you'll see through us, scared we're not enough, scared some other guy's lurking in your DMs. But here's the twist. We need you to call it out, not to coddle, but to kick us into gear. You catch us fishing. So who's that guy you liked on Insta? Don't dodge. Say, he's nobody. You're acting jealous. Stop it. Blunt, no fluff. We'll grumble, maybe deny it, but inside, we're thankful you saw through the bullshit. My friend Mark used to grill his wife about her coworker. She finally said, you're being paranoid and it's not cute. Knock it off. He sulked, then brought her flowers. Now he trusts her like steel. We won't say it, but when you name it, we feel seen, and we step up. Don't baby us, bust us, and watch us grow. The big finish. You're the flame. Light it up, ladies. These aren't just secrets. They're your battle plan to a love that roars, not whimpers. This isn't about begging for his scraps or dimming your spark to fit his shadow. You're the flame, the force, the one he'll never forget. And these truths are your fuel to burn brighter than ever. So take this, wield it, and watch him run towards you, not away. Hit that like, share it with every woman who needs to hear it, and go claim the love you deserve. You're not just saving your love life, you're rewriting the rules, and the world's about to feel the heat.